We're trying to grow this company, and as soon as we started using QuickBooks Online Advanced, I've found that we're growing between 5 and 10% year over year. When I start my day, I log into QuickBooks Online Advanced, check the dashboard. The Intuit Intelligence financial insights help me look at our profit and loss at a glance, as well as current inventory versus what it may have looked like last month or last quarter. Having the financial insights helps me realize trends, and it's all accessible at my fingertips. One of the features we use all the time with Intuit Intelligence is the payment reminders to remind our customers their invoice is overdue. One thing I really like that Intuit Intelligence does is it offers different reminder tones. Sometimes they're friendly or more firm, and depending on how overdue the invoice is, we can select which one we want to use for which customer. We usually use the friendly one, to be fair. I save about 15 hours a month on average with QuickBooks Online Advanced. I think the biggest thing that helps me save time is the AI features. One way that I think we save a lot of time just as a team is we have our emails linked to the customer hub. So when we send estimates to our customers and we haven't heard back in a week or two, we get an email and it's actually auto-drafted with a suggested follow-up email that we can send to our customers and hopefully convert that business. Intuit AI helps us when filing taxes. It gives us insights to deductions we might be missing. That we're able to actually take those to our accountant and have an educated conversation with him and discuss which ones we may take. We use workflow automation. So I use the bill approval workflow automation quite often. When our accounting department's paying a bill from a vendor that either we don't use very often or that is outside of a certain dollar amount, I'll often get an email and I'm able just to approve that from my desk. Another thing about QuickBooks Online Advanced that I really like is that just everything's all together in one place. Whether it's sending an estimate or an invoice or doing payroll, we're no longer using a lot of different apps and having to pay all the different subscription fees. It's all just together in one place, and we can do it all through QuickBooks Online Advanced.